Hello, everyone, and welcome to Steno 24/7. I am so glad to see you here today. Thank you so much. And I'm starting this broadcast or this live video, this live stream right now because I plan on getting through a particular dictation today, and for all you court reporters, because this is a court reporting dictation channel. And I started a dictation last week, and I only got to get to the 50, 60, and 70 word per minute writers because the dictation is rather lengthy, especially when you're doing it slow. So I'm here today to make sure that I go ahead and finish this up for the rest of the speeds. Trust me, I am not ignoring you. So let me go ahead and do my screen share. And we're going to get right into this dictation this morning. And if you want to join me on later after this, I'm going to be doing live dictations pretty much all day today. Just getting them out and getting her done. So let me pull up the dictation. And while I'm doing that, I would like for you to take your time and hit the like button. Don't forget to leave me a comment. And please share. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, you can do that right now. So go ahead and hit the like button. Go ahead. I won't be starting until you do. All right, now that we got that out of the way, all the liking and the sharing and your comments, let's go ahead and get started on case number 6. This is going to be 2 voice, 1,012 words on the subject of labor union. This is going to be, as I said, at 80 words per minute. And because it's 1,012 words, like I told you before, it's rather lengthy. But my speeds, the speeds that I did this for, my 50, 60, and 70 word per minute writer said this was great for endurance. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's write in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Question. You said 7 meetings. Now, do you have one every month? Answer, 2 each month. Question, 2 a month. When? On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday? Answer, Thursday nights. Question, and might there have been some special meetings in addition to the regular meetings held during that period of time? Answer, I believe there was one special meeting during that time. Question, did you attend and preside at all of them? Answer, yes. Question, you say you did not keep minutes of whatever business took place? Answer, no, sir. Question, did you preside and keep order and put motions to a vote? Answer, right. Question, did you conduct these meetings of Local 2424, which are not limited to employees of the 10 employers who are involved in these unemployment compensation proceedings? Answer, that is true. Question, do you include, in addition to employees of those 10 employers, employees of Brass Casting Company, Inc.? Answer, yes. Question, and maybe other plants located in the area? Answer, that is right. Question, Are questions presented to the entire membership at the meetings in connection with pending collective bargaining negotiations? Answer, they are. Question, is there any segregation made between the members who are employed at any particular plant? Answer, yes, in some cases. Question, do you mean with reference to special issues? Answer, right. Question, is that because of different terms that are in use at certain plants? Answer, that's right. There are various expressions used at different places. Question, yes, but on important questions like wage increases or any changes in working conditions, they all vote regardless of any members of any one plant, where terms may be different. Doesn't it apply to all? Answer, certainly, all alike. Question, is this true at all meetings, regular meetings, and even special meetings? I refer to all the meetings we have discussed. Answer, that special meeting was something different? Question, that had nothing to do with the subject matter? Answer, it didn't involve the entire membership. Question, you testified on your first examination that you did not go down to the plant Monday? Answer, no, I didn't. Question, didn't you go to work at all that day? Not even show up? Answer, I wasn't there when they opened. Question, did you go there at any later time of that day? Answer, I got there during the afternoon. Yes, sir. Question, as an official of your union, did you have anything to do about arranging for signs to be placed anywhere? Answer, no. Question, you state that you had nothing to do with that. Was that handled by a committee? Answer, right. Question, was that committee the one we have referred to in this proceedings as a strike committee? Answer, right. Question, tell us, would that be a 10-man committee? Answer, that is right. It would. Question, did you work with the committee as an officer? Answer, I did not. Question, what about the paid officials of the union? Answer, no. Question, perhaps I should express it in another manner. Perhaps you didn't actually work with them, but did you consult with them, or did they consult with you? Answer, advice and general information. Question, were there more than 10 representatives or various plants on the committee? Answer, there wasn't. Question, there were generally 10. Answer, right. Question, there was one representative from each of the 10 plants. Not two from some plants and other plants not being represented. Answer, one man from each plant. Question, how were these men selected? Were they selected by employees at the individual plants? Answer, that is right. Question, was this done pursuant to rules and regulations or bylaws of the local union? Answer, that is right. Also, the Constitution. Question, was there a meeting of the local union when the membership voted strike authority to the strike committee? Answer, there was. Question, did this turn over to them the authority to designate which plants would be put on strike if a settlement was not reached? Answer, that was entirely an individual matter. The employees of each plant involved had to agree before the committee could take definite action as to any given plant. Question, was that in the form of a resolution that was adopted at one of the meetings? Answer, yes. Question, did the local union put that in the record of the minutes of the meeting? Answer, yes. Question, when you went to the plant that afternoon, did you see some signs being carried by any of the employees? Answer, yes. Question, were any of these exhibited near the plant, say near an entrance or exit? Answer, yes. Question, how many of these signs did you see? Answer, there were 2 of them. Question, did you notice whether any of the signs were of a convertible type? Did they have the lockout language on the original sign, or was it just put on an ordinary strike banner or poster, whatever it was? Answer, it was made type. What did you call it? Question, convertible. Could you have made just a strike notice out of them by taking off the lockout sign? Answer, that is right. They could. Question, during the next 2 days, were you busy with your usual union affairs that came up in connection with the labor situation? Answer, yes. Question, did a group of you men as a body file claim with the Unemployment Compensation Office? Answer, that is not true. I went alone. I think they all went alone. I am sure of it. Question, was it a general understanding between the men that if you all didn't get work in the very near future, you would all file? Answer, well, I don't know if there was any such understanding or not. I couldn't say. Question, did you stay active in connection with the labor dispute after you had registered for work and filed your claim for readjustment allowances? Answer, only as a member of the negotiating committee. Question, well, didn't you stay active in your capacity as president of the union as well as a member of the committee? Answer, yes. Question: during that period, did you attend some meetings held with the state labor conciliator? And that's all, folks, for this particular dictation at 80 words per minute. Hope you did well. And yes, I'm coming right back. Don't you go anywhere. I'm coming right back with some more dictation for you today, all day long. Nothing but dictation coming to you today. Why? Because I love you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you coming, and I hope to see you at the next video. Thank you, everyone, and happy writing.